Guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to delete bookmarks in Google Chrome, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, just simply open up your Google Chrome app, and then just simply tap at these two dots in the top right corner. After that, just simply tap at bookmarks. Here it will show all of your bookmarks in your bookmark reading list. Just simply what you all have to do, just simply tap at the three dots in front of that specific website bookmark which you want to delete, just like that. After that, just simply tap at delete. So in this simple way, you can delete your bookmarks. You can also delete that. Simply tap at delete. We are done with deleting bookmarks in Google Chrome. So I will help you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment section below and I'll be catching you on the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel. I think that this video helped you and you learn how to delete bookmarks in Google Chrome. Then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Goodbye till the next video.